Welcome to the future of robotics. In 2024, robots aren't just smart, they're learning faster and better than ever before. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the world of robotics is evolving in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. Imagine watching close-up shots of robots, seamlessly navigating a warehouse, sorting items and handling complex tasks. It's truly incredible to witness how AI, especially machine learning and generative AI, is transforming robotics and automation. Today, we're diving into the amazing ways AI is revolutionizing robotics. No longer do developers need to program robots, line by line. In 2024, they are creating robots that can be programmed through natural language. Just like interacting with ChatGPT, this breakthrough makes robots much more intuitive to use. No need to be a coding expert. Just think about it. In the near future, you can simply talk to a robot and give it instructions. The scene cuts to a robot building something entirely based on verbal instructions. This is a breakthrough for industries. From healthcare to manufacturing, AI-driven interfaces let robots learn and adapt quickly, making them more useful in all kinds of environments. Now envision yourself managing a factory and wanting to avoid costly downtimes. With AI, robots can now predict when they need maintenance before they break down, saving millions. For instance, an hour of machine failure in an automotive parts factory can cost up to $1.3 million. Wouldn't it be amazing to receive a maintenance alert from a robot before anything goes wrong? AI has the power to track performance and tells you when to fix things, saving time, money, and preventing stress. This is a remarkable capability that ensures continuous operation and efficiency. Picture robots performing repetitive tasks, becoming faster and more precise with each cycle. Thanks to AI, especially machine learning, robots can continuously improve. The more tasks they complete, the more they learn, optimizing every process. This is a game changer for industries like warehousing, where robots can now pick, pack, and ship with incredible speed. But it doesn't stop there. In the future, we will witness humans and robots working seamlessly together across various settings, from warehouses to hospitals. From generative AI making robots easier to use, to predictive AI preventing downtime, to machine learning enhancing efficiency. The future of robotics is happening now. In 2024, AI is making robots smarter, faster, and more accessible to businesses everywhere. As the video comes to an end, a robot waves goodbye to the camera. The upbeat music playing in the background reminds us of the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the future of AI and robotics.